guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mochi and today I'm going to show you how I alter a skirt with adding some kick pleats or something like that because I don't know the name. So I will tell you about this skirt. It's a straight skirt, you know, that's really fitted almost like a pencil skirt. It didn't have wide range. I even barely can walk in the skirt, but I love the patterns. So the idea is to add some additional fabric on the side to add some room so it will become wider. So this is how the skirt looks like. As you can see, it has a pretty pattern. Also has some detail on it, like this tie at the top, and it has a floor length, so it's a maxi skirt. I'm going to use this black fabric as a additional fabric on the skirt. So basically I cut two rectangular shape and then I join them as one, since first plan I'm going to add as long as the skirt length. So here I'm done sewing and overlocking the edges of the fabric and it's become something like this. Next I'm going to seam ripping the side seam and the bottom hem so I can install the additional panel that we cut earlier. And I don't know is it a good idea or not, but I'm trying to make a box pleated shape by folding the fabric into the center and then top stitch the fold. At the time I think I need to keep the shape of the pleat, so hopefully it turns out okay later. I attached the additional panel or the fabric for the pleats by using the French seam. So basically I just facing both of the fabric wrong side together, stitch it down and then flip it so it will become right side together and sew them on. So here it is the result of the sewing. There is no raw side or raw edges, so it won't fraying, hopefully. Lastly, I will sew down the gap on top of the skirt and then hem the bottom. I don't forget to sew the close at the top of the pleat. This is the final result of the first attempt. I think the result is okay though, but for me, the additional fabric ends up like looking too long. So I decided to short them up from the knee point until the ankle point. Here I basically just mark the length where I want to the pleat start using a pin and then cut it along the mark and seam ripping the top part of the pleats that I didn't need anymore. And for the leftover fabric I decided to make some pockets, and here I'm tracing my hand shape, but it's a wrong example guys, I tell you, because it ended up too small so my hand barely could slip into it. Like seriously, it's so hard. So I suggest you to make this part is wider than your hand, okay? Then cut out the pocket shape and install it onto the skirt. So basically just face the wrong side of the pocket to the right side of the skirt, sew it down, flip it, top stitch them down, and then attach the sides. Moving on to the top of the pleat part, close them up and sew it down. It's all about trial and error, guys, but the result it's really good for me, and it feels really comfortable, so I can wear it even more. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.